Managing a product team is chaos unless you got the right frameworks in place. So if you're tired of misaligned priorities, vague goals, and endless decision-making loops, this one is for you. Let's break down a few product management frameworks that actually make your team and you way more efficient. First up, DACI. DACI stands for Driver, Approver, Contributor, Informed. It's a decision-making framework that stops everyone from talking in circles. Here's how it works. The driver owns the task and moves it forward. The approver makes the final call. Contributors give input but don't block decisions. And informed people just stay in the loop. DACI clarifies roles and cuts down on Slack threads that go nowhere. Next, OKRs, Objectives and Key Results. It's a simple system that sets clear goals and measurable outcomes. You define an objective, a big picture goal, and key results, the specific things that prove you're making progress. For example, objective, improve user retention. Key results, increase activation rate by 20%, reduce churn by 15%, raise NPS to 40+. The magic here is alignment. Everyone knows what they're working towards and how success is measured. Third, GIST planning. This one's a full stack planning system. GIST stands for goals, ideas, step projects, and tasks. It's great for breaking down big visions into things your team can actually do. Instead of building giant roadmaps and praying they work out, you keep ideas lean, run small experiments, and scale what works. Think of it as an agile, but for strategy. Now, let's talk about the 4 Ds. Do, defer, delegate, and lead. It's a technically time management tool, but it works beautifully in product work too. When you've got too many tasks flying at you, you run them through 4 Ds. Do it now, defer it, delegate it, or delete it altogether. Simple, brutal, effective, especially when you're drawing in backlogs and meetings. And finally, working backwards. Amazon made this famous. The idea is, before you build anything, write the press release. Literally, imagine your product just launched. How would you pitch it to users? What the headline? What problem does it solve? This forces you to define value early. If you can't write the clear, compelling press release, you're not ready to build. It's a great gut check for clarity and vision. So, how do you actually use these frameworks? Here's how we do it at Eleken. We use OKRs to align the client's business goals. GISTs help us break that down into testable ideas and sprints. DACIs keep responsibilities clear, and working backwards helps us and our clients focus on the outcomes, not just features. The point isn't to memorize acronyms. It's to build habits that make your product team run smoother and think sharper. So next time your roadmap feels fuzzy, your backlogs is a mess, and your team is lost in decision fatigue, pick a framework and get some structure. And if you're building a SaaS product and need a design partner who doesn't just ship screens, but thinks like a product team, reach out to Eleken. We jump in fast, work inside your tools, and help you move with clarity. If this video helped, give us a like button and subscribe, and drop a comment which of these frameworks do you actually use, or which one will you try first.